Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're a Nikon photographer, the upcoming Nikon Z5 Mark II might be the camera that redefines your photography experience. With major enhancements in sensor technology, processing power, and autofocus capabilities, this full-frame mirrorless camera aims to revolutionize entry-level photography in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned Nikon user or looking to step up to full-frame, what I'm about to reveal will surely pique your interest. The latest leaks indicate that the Nikon Z5 Mark II will feature a 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor. This sensor is a game-changer, offering enhanced low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and Nikon's signature color science. The backside illuminated design allows for better light gathering, resulting in cleaner images with less noise at high ISO settings. Paired with Nikon's cutting-edge image processing technology, the new Z5 Mark II is set to elevate what an entry-level full-frame camera can achieve. Beyond the sensor, the newly integrated XP7 processor takes performance to the next level. This processor is designed to handle complex image data with greater efficiency, enabling faster burst shooting, better noise reduction, and more advanced computational photography features. Photographers can expect improved autofocus tracking, faster readout speeds, and superior image quality. Speaking of autofocus, the Nikon Z5 Mark II is rumored to feature an upgraded 273-point hybrid autofocus system. This system boasts advanced subject recognition, enhanced eye and animal detection, and improved low-light focusing capabilities. Nikon has reportedly borrowed autofocus algorithms from their flagship models, ensuring that users experience high-speed, precise tracking, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're capturing fast-moving sports, wildlife, or spontaneous street photography, this autofocus system is designed to keep up with your creative vision. Another exciting update is the camera's dual memory card slots. Unlike its predecessor, the Z5 Mark II will support dual UHS-2 SD card slots, providing photographers with options for backup, overflow storage, or separate RAW and JPEG file management. This feature is particularly beneficial for event photographers who require reliable storage solutions during long shooting sessions. Now, let's talk about stabilization. The Z5 Mark II is expected to include 5-axis in-body image stabilization, offering up to 5 stops of shake reduction. This feature allows photographers to shoot handheld with greater confidence, minimizing blur and improving image sharpness. Combined with Nikon's high-quality Z-mount lenses, the IBIS system ensures professional-grade stability for both photography and video recording. For videographers, the Z5 Mark II is expected to support 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second. Additionally, it will offer full HD recording at 120 frames per second, enabling stunning slow-motion footage. Nikon has also improved the camera's heat dissipation system, ensuring longer recording times without overheating, an essential feature for content creators and vloggers. Battery life has been another area of improvement. The Z5 Mark II is rumored to feature an extended battery performance compared to the original Z5. Moreover, with USB-C charging and power delivery support, users will have the convenience of charging their camera on the go, making it an excellent companion for travel and outdoor photography. Connectivity is another highlight of the Nikon Z5 Mark II. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure seamless image transfer to your smartphone or tablet. The camera also supports direct image uploads and remote control functionality via Nikon's SnapBridge app, allowing users to easily share their photos and videos with the world. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The Nikon Z5 Mark II is expected to launch at a competitive price of around $1,499. Considering its advanced features and improvements over its predecessor, this price point makes it an attractive option for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking a reliable full-frame mirrorless camera. The expected release date is set for April 2025, just in time for photographers looking to capture stunning summer landscapes and travel memories. In summary, the Nikon Z5 Mark II is shaping up to be a powerful contender in the entry-level full-frame market. With its improved sensor, advanced autofocus, dual card slots, 5-axis stabilization, and enhanced video capabilities, this camera is poised to deliver exceptional performance at an accessible price. Nikon's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in an affordable full-frame camera makes the Z5 Mark II an exciting release for photography enthusiasts worldwide.